Welcome to my Ninja DB751A review. The Ninja Pro Plus Duo Blender is a powerhouse with its 1,400 watt motor, making short work of ice, fruits, and vegetables. Auto-iQ technology is a standout feature. With preset programs for making smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient extraction, you just press a button and it handles the rest. You get a big 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for family-sized smoothies. Plus, there are two 24-ounce cups, great for single servings on the go. Both the pitcher and cups are made from BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. Safety is a priority too, with a secure locking lid. If the lid isn't on right, the blender won't work. You can use this blender with confidence, knowing it's designed to protect you and your kitchen. This blender packs a serious punch with its 1,400 watt motor. You get the ability to crush through ice, fruits, and vegetables. This power ensures that you can create smooth textures for your drinks and meals. With Auto-iQ technology, blending becomes hassle-free. You can select from pre-programmed settings like smoothies and frozen drinks. These programs take the guesswork out, making sure you get perfect blends every time. The 72-ounce pitcher is large enough for family-sized batches. You also get two 24-ounce single-serve cups, ideal for making drinks on the go. This versatility allows you to switch between making large meals and personal drinks easily. Sleek and modern, the Ninja Pro Plus Duo Blender fits right into any kitchen decor. Its black and stainless steel finish gives a polished look while being easy to clean. The design is both practical and attractive, providing a nice blend of form and function. The 72-ounce pitcher is a standout feature, not just for its capacity, but also for its clear markings, making it easy for you to measure ingredients. The Pro Plus Duo's control panel is intuitive and straightforward, with buttons that are well labeled and responsive. Another great aspect is the compact size of the single-serve cups, which add versatility without taking up much space. The clean lines and robust build make this blender both a stylish and reliable addition to your countertop. Next up in my Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo 1400 watts review, let's look at the pros and cons. With a 1,400 peak watt motor, blending thick and tough ingredients is no problem. You can expect smooth results every time. The Auto-iQ feature offers preset blending modes like smoothies and frozen drinks, making it easy to achieve the perfect texture. The 72-ounce pitcher is great for making large batches. Plus, you get two 24-ounce cups with spout lids for easy on-the-go drinks. The control panel is intuitive, allowing you to navigate through various modes and settings without any hassle. Made from BPA-free materials and featuring sturdy stainless steel blades, this model is built to last. Now for the cons. This blender falls on the higher end of the price spectrum, which might not be ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Given its powerful motor, it can be quite loud during operation, which could be a drawback in noise-sensitive environments. The blades are extremely sharp, making them tricky to clean without risking a cut. Be very careful during cleaning. The large capacity is great, but it also means the blender can be bulky and take up quite a bit of counter space. Using the Ninja DB751A blender is a breeze. The intuitive control panel lets you easily switch between different modes. You won't get lost in complicated settings. One standout feature is the Auto-iQ technology. With this, you can pick from pre-programmed modes like smoothies and frozen drinks. It takes the guesswork out of blending and ensures you get the right consistency every time. Moreover, cleaning is simple. Just wash the blades and pitcher under some water and you're good to go. Keep in mind that the blades are very sharp, so handle them with care. The Ninja Pro Plus Duo Blender delivers impressive blending power with its 1,400 watt motor, making tasks like crushing ice or blending smoothies a breeze. Its Auto-iQ technology provides 3 modes, ensuring you get the right blend every time. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches, while the two 24-ounce cups are great for personal use. You'll appreciate the Pro blades, which handle even the toughest ingredients easily. The durable build means this blender will stick around for years, based on user reviews of long-lasting performance. Cleaning is straightforward, though some users find the blades quite sharp. And with that said, hopefully my Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo 1400 watts review was helpful in outlining the pros and cons of this blender.